Hello students, good morning. How are you all today? Hope you are superb and healthy. Myself, Sabah Shaheen, I am your biology teacher. Welcome you here again in this beautiful class. Today, I will teach class 11th biology chapter number 1, that is the living world, where will be discuss about taxonomic categories. Let's start the class now. How we identify or how we characterize the different category of taxonomy. Students, in previous class we have studied about taxonomy. So we know that classification involves hierarchy of taxonomic category. Very important term, hierarchy steps are there which actually gives the rank. Based on that, we divide them into various groups, then families, and then kingdom, and then we studied about them, through which it becomes easy to understand for us. Students, I am 100% sure that you know about the classification. Okay, we'll give you a very simple example. Classification of living and non-living things. Living will be breathing. Living will be eating. Living will be moving. Whereas non-living will be non-motile, no breathing, no movement. So, this is the very brief classification. With this classification, we are aware about the surroundings. So here we'll be started with the species. Students, you know what? Species is the smallest of all and kingdom is the largest of all. Here you can see this diagram of the taxonomic categories, where as we move from species to kingdom, look at here, from up to bottom, from top to bottom, slowly diverse classification will be increase. And here are the some features of these taxonomic categories. Species, it is the group of closely related organism of interbreeding to produce fertile offspring. A genus, it is the aggregate of closely related species. Family is the group of related genera. Order, it is the assemblage of related families. Class, it is the assemblage of related orders. Phylum, it is the assemblage of related classes. And kingdom, it is the assemblage of related phylum, or we can say this division. So students, here is the homework for today, and you all have to learn and write this in your rough copy. And after the completion of the chapter 1, there will be online test for you all. So prepare your homework. So with this, I end my class today. Enjoy your day. Keep on studying. We'll see you in the next class. Goodbye. Take care of you.